Today we're learning about the area model.
So if we remember as a review, the area refers to the inside of a shape. And so to find the area, typically what we do is we multiply the length times the width. All right? But we're going to use this area model with multiplying a multi-digit number. So here we go. What we're going to do today is we're going to multiply 1,235 times 2. And we're going to use the area model to do that. Now, I'm going to draw a rectangle, and it's not going to be what's called to scale. And what I mean by that is it's not going to be this long by this wide. But I'm going to choose my shorter side, and I'm going to put the number 2. This is going to be my width. And I'm going to do my length is going to be 1,235. Now I'm going to actually break this number up. And I see right here that I have 1, 2, 3, 4 different place values. So I'm going to divide my rectangle here into 4. So for example, how many ones do I have? 5 ones, right? How many tens do I have, everybody? 3 tens. Which 3 tens is the same as 30? How many hundreds do I have? 2 hundreds, right? And how many thousands do I have? 1,000. Now keep in mind that what we're doing is we're breaking these numbers apart, but if we add them all together, they're going to get this number. All right, so now that we've broken our number apart, our multi-digit number, we can think about to ourselves, we're going to multiply over here the length by the width. So we're going to multiply 5 times 2. 5 times 2. What's 5 times 2 is 10. Over here, we're going to multiply 30 times 2. Okay, and if we think about it this way, 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 3 is 6. All right, for the next, we're going to take 200 and we're going to multiply that by 2. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 2 is 4. You got it. Then we have our thousands place. And what are we going to multiply that by? 2. All these numbers are being multiplied by my width, 2. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 0, 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 2. 2. So we have over here we have 2,000, we have 400, we have 60, and we have 10. So we broke this number apart. Look. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add all these pieces together. So we're going to take our thousands, 2,000s, make sure to line up our place value, our 400, our tens, which was 60, and our ones, which was 10. We're going to add all those up. Zeros in the ones. In the tens, we have 6 tens and 7 tens, which would be 70. In the hundreds, we have 400. And in the thousands, we have 2,000. So for our answer, using our area model, we have 2,470. Hopefully this helps you with the area model. Remember, make your rectangle, put the shorter number, the smaller number on the width, the bigger number on the length, break it into pieces, multiply, and add. You got this, everybody. Thanks for
Watching. Happy birthday.